Welcome to the complete dMAT masterclass. All 4 sections of the exam, one course, solved together. Here's how this works, and I'll say it only once. 4 sections: figure sequences, equations, Latin squares, and the general academic module. 22 real questions, and whenever you see the clock, you pause and you attempt. That's our deal. We're here to help you prepare. Always verify details in the official dMAT notification. Links below. 20-second background. The dMAT is part of the APS process for Indian Masters applicants, engineering, commerce, business from summer 2027 intakes, about 3.5 hours with a break. That's it, let's learn. Section 1. Figure sequences. This is what a question looks like. 4 figures, something is changing. You pick what comes next, A, B, C, or D. In our mock, 75 seconds per question. That's the game. Every rule you will ever see here is one of 4 moves, the 4 R's. Rotate, something turns. Repeat, something counts up. Reflect, it flips like a mirror. Relocate, something walks. Rotate, repeat, reflect, relocate. That's your whole toolbox. And when 2 rules hide in one figure, the CCTV method. Track one element at a time like a security camera follows one person in a crowd. Pen and paper ready? Question 1. 2 things are changing in this sequence. Find both rules. CCTV on the arrow. Right, down, left, up, rotating 90 clockwise. Next, right. CCTV on the dots. 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6. Right arrow, 6 dots. The answer is B. Next one, the shape changes and the dot moves. 2 suspects. The sides. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 next. The dot. Top, bottom, top again. A heptagon dot on top. The answer is C. This rotation looks random. It is not. Right, down, left, and back to down. It's a pendulum, it swings. Next, right. The dots simply count 1 to 5. The answer is A. Careful, the mirror trap. This one catches almost everyone. This is not rotation, it's reflection. Up right, up left, up right, up left, next up right. And the dots go in pairs, 1, 1, 2, 2, so 3. The answer is D. Now track the dot's journey, not its seat. The jumps: 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, next jump, 4, landing here. And the square alternates: filled, empty, filled, empty, filled. The answer is B, count jumps, not positions. Two travelers moving in opposite directions. The arrow rotates clockwise, 90 each step, but the dot walks counterclockwise, 1 seat at a time. Independent rules, solve them separately. The answer is A. The accelerator. Here, the turning itself is changing. Plus 45, plus 90, plus 135. The rotation grows by 45 each step. Next, plus 180, pointing down. And the 3 dots, they never moved. Confirm the lazy suspect, then ignore it. The answer is C. Section finale. Everything you've learned in one figure. Take the full time. The sides, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The dot on the ring, jumping 2 seats clockwise, 2, 4, 6, back to the top. A heptagon, dot on top. The answer is D. Figures, done. You now think in R's. Section 2. Mathematical equations, new section, same discipline. Symbols instead of numbers, triangles, squares, circles, each hiding a value. 3 moves solve everything. Move 1, easy line first. Start where only one symbol lives. Move 2, stack and cancel. A plus line and a minus line. Add them, something disappears. Move 3, rewind. When a number goes through a machine, walk backwards and invert every step. And remember CCTV from figures, same idea here, one symbol at a time. First equation set, 3 lines, 3 symbols, and a sneaky last line. Easy line first. 3 triangles make 18, so a triangle is 6. Cascade, the square is 7, the circle 3. Now the trap, multiply before you add. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 6. 27, the answer is B. A plus line and a minus line. You know the move. Stack and add. The circles cancel. 2 diamonds make 20, so a diamond is 10. Then the circle is 6, and 10 times 6 is 60. The answer is C. A mystery number enters a machine. Times 3 minus 4 divided by 2. Out comes 10. What went in? Rewind, walk backwards, invert everything. 10 times 2, 20, plus 4, 24, divided by 3, 8. The answer is C. Tougher now, a square times a square. Watch the small print. Square times square is 25, so the square is 5. Then 5 plus 2 circles makes 13, a circle is 4. Last line, 4 times 5 minus 5, 20 minus 5. 15. The answer is A. A number series 2, 6, 12, 20. The rule is invisible at first. Look between the numbers, the gaps 4, 6, 8, growing by 2. Next gap 10, 20 plus 10, 30. The answer is B. Section finale, every move at once. Take your time. Two triangles make 10. Triangle is 5. Triangle times square is 30. Square is 6. Square minus circle is 2. Circle is 4. Now the brackets. 5 plus 6 is 11. Times 4. 44. The answer is B. Equations done. Section 3. Latin squares. If you've ever played Sudoku, you're already halfway there. The rule of the grid. Every number appears exactly once in each row and once in each column. Your weapon, scan, kill, survivor. Scan the row, list the missing numbers. Scan the column, kill the ones already there. Whatever survives is the answer. And when a cell looks impossible, cascade. Fill an easier cell first and watch the hard one crack open. First grid, find the gold cell. Scan, kill, survivor. The row has 4 and 3, missing 1 and 2, two suspects. The column already has a 1, killed. 2 survives. The answer is D. This gold cell looks impossible. Its row is missing 2 numbers. Remember the cascade. Don't attack it head on. Column 1 is nearly full. 1, 3, 2, so its blank must be 4. And now the row reads 4, 3, blank, 2. Only 1 is left. The answer is A. Another double blank row. You know both weapons now. The row is missing 1 and 4. The column already holds a 4. Killed. 1 survives. The answer is A. 5 by 5 now. Same rules, bigger battlefield. Don't panic. Scan, kill, survivor. The row is missing 4 and 5. The column already has a 4. Killed. 5 survives. The answer is B. Size never changes the method. Section finale is a 2-step chain. Cascade first, then survive. Column 1 gives the first domino, 2, 1, 3 there. The blank is 4. Now the row reads 4, blank, 3, 1. Only 2 is left. The answer is C, Latin squares, done. Section 4, the one everyone asks about. The general academic module. Officially, this module tests how you apply your thinking to academic problems. A short problem, then questions about it. No memorized facts, pure transfer. Your weapon here, the anchor method. Read the problem once, carefully. Anchor every number and every condition as you go. Then answer from your anchors. Never reread the whole text. 3 problems. These take longer. That's normal. Problem 1. Read it with me and anchor the numbers. A university library counts its visitors. Monday 120, Tuesday 150, Wednesday 90, Thursday 150, Friday 270. Friday's count is what, multiple of Wednesdays? Your anchors, Friday 270, Wednesday 90. 270 divided by 90, 3. The answer is C. Notice, the other 3 days were noise. Problem 2. A logic anchor. Every student who registered before March receives slot A. Ravi has slot B. What must be true? Anchor the rule. Before March, always slot A. Ravi has B. If he'd registered before March, he would have A. He doesn't. So he did not register before March. The answer is B. That's a contrapositive. The exam loves them. Final problem of the course. A course has 3 modules. Passing needs an average of at least 60. You scored 55 and 58. Minimum score needed in module 3? Anchor, average 60 across 3 modules means 180 in total. You have 55 plus 58, 113. 180 minus 113, 67. The answer is C. And that is all 4 sections. Before you go, exam strategy across the whole paper. 1. Never stare at a whole figure or a whole grid. Name the rule, isolate the element. 2. Respect the order of operations. Multiply before you add. BODMAS breaks more scores than hard questions do. 3. The clock. 75 seconds a question in our mocks. Stuck at 90? Mark it, skip it, come back. One stubborn question can eat 4 easy ones. And 4. The real exam is 3.5 hours. Train your stamina, not just your tricks. Your complete cheat sheet. Figures, the 4 R's and CCTV. Equations, easy line first, stack and cancel, rewind. Latin squares, scan, kill, survivor, and cascade. The academic module, anchor, then answer. Speed only comes from practice under a real clock. Our mock tests mirror this exact structure. The sample test is free at mastersforall.com. Prepare well, Germany is worth it.